What can Protocols IO integration do for me? Protocols IO is a collaborative research platform that is taking the process of scientific discovery to the next level by allowing researchers to share protocols, communicate possible corrections, and optimize research methods. It is available to everyone free of charge. SciNote users can import public protocols from Protocols IO by navigating to the Protocols tab and then to the External Protocols section. Use the search field to look for the protocol of your choice. From the list below, click on a protocol to preview it. If you like what you're seeing, simply click Import, and the protocol will be automatically translated into the SciNote's neat protocol structure. Decide whether you want to import this protocol to the Team Protocol section or to My Protocol section. The protocol will then appear on the list of your SciNote protocol templates. Happy importing! For more information on SciNote, please check out the description below.